Next, I would like to show you how to insert a text in a video clip. So for example, from the beginning, I want to put an intro text. So all you need to do is to come down here to the editing tool. You can see text over here, type tool, or Control T to start it. You can just click on Control T, or you just type T, just click on this, and at any given point within, you can just easily drag like this, and you can type anything that you want to type. So for example, I say welcome to Epic Mentorship. So you can see it brings in the text feature over here, the text clip feature over here. So you are free to double click the text, and you will have so once you have the text selected, you can see on this part of the editing tool, you can see all the features that you are going to play around with. So for example, you can select the entire text, and then you can come over here and you can play around. We can center it. Okay, you can align center as well, or you can change the orientation. You can centralize it, everything. You can see we have centralized it. Or this is opacity. You are free to increase or decrease the opacity accordingly. You can see the sample. You're free to change the position over here. You can move it to the left, to the right, and up or bottom. From here, you're free to move it. And down here, you can increase the sizing. To increase the text, you can select the font style. You can see different kind of fonts. Once you select, you can see the sample over here. You can select any font of your choice. And then down here, you can align also from left, center, and right. You can align up or down or bottom. And you can play around with the sizing over here. You can increase the sizing, or you can decrease it so that it becomes very visible. Down here, you can increase the fill, or you can increase a stroke to make it kind of looks much more better. And you can increase the background if you want it to pop out very nicely. And you can select the background coloration and add it from here. Okay, so you can change it to any background. For example, if you are on white, you may want to have a black background so it pops out very nicely. So down here you have the transparency. You can increase or decrease the transparency as well. You can play around with the masking tool. You can increase the sizes and decrease accordingly using these features as well if you so wish. And you can increase or decrease or change the coloration of the text. Right now, once you click out, you can see the text is white in color. You can change the coloration also from here if you so wish. So once you're done, you just click out somewhere and the effect is gone. Okay, the properties is gone. Once you hover over it, if you want to change anything, all you need is just to select that particular text and everything is going to come back, and you can just select it and start your editing afresh as well. Or when you select it, you can select the text feature, and you can come all the way to effect controls, and you have a bunch of other controls also as regards the text to edit from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.